Hello guys, what's going on? Today I'm just going to be talking about my weekly performance, how I performed this week. But before I get into that, I just want to quickly announce that today's actually Wednesday, but I just want to announce that I've actually passed my Trader Central second phase. My last video about Trader Central series, I think I was $500 away from passing, but I've been able to pass, and I'm just waiting to complete the 10 minimum trading days so that I can receive my credentials for the live account, which should be by next week. So I'm gonna be posting this video on a Friday. Like I said, today is Wednesday. So I'm actually done trading for the week, and the reason why I'm done trading for the week is actually the reason why I'm making this video. So this week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, those 3 days on the global scale, I literally lost all my trades. The reason why I was able to pass this challenge was because I was in profit, and when you're in profit, you close your trades, right? Because I already hit my profit target. There's no reason to remain in the trade. But if I kept the trade running, longer, it probably would have taken me out, and I probably wouldn't have been able to make my profit target. But on a global scale, on my other trading accounts, all the trades I took this week eventually stopped me out. So today we are just going to be looking at those trades that I took this week. And I also want to share some life lessons regarding my trading week. I want to use my experience to teach you guys on how to manage your losing streak, because they happen to everyone, guys. No one is immune to a losing streak. No one is immune to losing trades, day after day after day, even week after week. So I just felt like the past few days or weeks rather, I've only been sharing my wins in the forex market. But today I just thought I owe it to you guys to share with you guys, what a losing week actually looks like to me, and how I manage it, and how I, try as much as possible not to allow it to get to me. So Euro AUD was actually a pair I was trading this week. And over here, let me just quickly draw my zones here. What was in my mind before I took the trade, how I lost the trades, and how to go forward from there. So like I said, it's Wednesday, I'm done trading, and the reason I'm done trading was because I had 3 losing days in a row. So because of that, I'm no longer going to be trading for the week. It's a really great tactic that I use to prevent me from over trading, because I know if I come back tomorrow, which is Thursday, I'm not gonna be in the best shape of mind, and I'm likely gonna be revenge trading. So it's better to just take Thursday and Friday off, including the weekend, so that I can come back on Monday with a fully loaded magazine, and I'm ready to go at it again. It's almost like a war. Trading forex is like you're in a war. You need to know when to attack, when to retreat, and also when to stand back. Those 3 elements are very, very important in regards to trading. So I really wanted to go long on Euro AUD this week, and I was stopped out 2 times. So let's see here. I already marked off my key levels, and this was the area I wanted to go long. At some point, this area, this push up over here was actually what helped me to pass the Trader Central challenge. But like I always do, I don't normally break even on my positions, which I'm totally okay with, because based on my long-term performance, my strategy has proven that it is not always in my favor to break even on a trade when I'm still close to the entry level. So at least I've achieved, let's say, 1 to 3 risk to reward. I don't normally break even, because it doesn't favor me in the long run. So like we see here, market pushed up and then eventually stopped me out. I had 2 positions here, which they both stopped me out, and that was it for Euro AUD. And another one was USD CHF. I actually went long over here. I believe I went long over here. This was when I went long on this position, somewhere around here, and without wasting time, market just threw me out. I don't want to go into details regarding why I entered this trade, but we've seen there's a big area of consolidation here, so I just got trapped, nothing more, nothing less. So I just got trapped in this area. So it happens, but it is what it is. So looking at my actual personal trading account, which I plan to this account here, I plan to trade it for the rest of the year, and I plan to also give you monthly performance update. So far my January performance, just a quick correction. Last month I said I made 33% on this account, but it ended up being a 55% gain for this month, for the month of January, because I still had few days left in the month. So those other trades I took before the month ended, I was able to make additional 20%, which gave me a total profit of 55% for January. And so far we what's today's day? I think today's the 28th, on the no, today's the 16th. What am I thinking? Today's the 16th of February, and so far, in just 2 weeks I've done 47% on my account this month. But it's probably gonna go down even more because I've lost some trades, but this thing is yet to upgrade. So I'm probably at let's say maybe 30% profit so far this month. So as you can see here, let me just show you the losing trades here so far. The thing still has to update, but let's see so far the history for this month. These are the net profits. As you can see, loss, 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 loss. This is the only win I had. Let me show you that win. It was this move over here. That was the win for this week. And at the end of the day, even that trading day, I still lost all the trades. It was still a mass. The net profit for that day was a loss eventually. So Monday was a losing day, Tuesday was a losing day, and on Wednesday was a losing day. And I've already logged out of my MT4 account and my MT5 account. So all the accounts I'm currently trading right now, I've logged out, and I don't plan to enter any more trades this week, so that when Monday come, my mind is clear and I'm ready to actually take it easy and recover. This is not new, this is not unusual. I just thought I'd share it with you guys so you guys can learn how I stay, how I keep my balanced state, how I maintain my mental health when it comes to trading, because your life has to be in parallel with your trading lifestyle. And I will explain to you guys what I mean by that. If you are messing up as a trader, there's a very high chance your personal life is going to be affected by that. You're going to be taking your trading, your bad performance from trading, and you're going to be lashing out on people around you, and vice versa. If your life is messed up, you're going to bring it into trading, and you're going to mess up your performance as well. So you need to have a balance. And the primary way to have a balance in both is making sure your trading life is very, very balanced. You don't want to over trade, you don't want to over leverage. When you're having a losing streak, you want to just stand by and just wait and relax so you can recover from it. Don't revenge trade so that it doesn't affect your personal life. And I'm currently at a point in my life where I can afford to allow trading to mess up my personal life, because I'm currently a student, I'm in medical school, and if I allow trading to mess up with my personal life, it's gonna affect my trading, my studying. I won't be able to study the way I'm supposed to for my board exams and all that stuff. So I literally need to have a balance so I can be successful, in all the areas of my life. So this is just what I want to share with you guys today. I hope you guys have learned one or two things, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe. Alright, so this is actually one of my accounts. Let me give you guys a quick look into my accounts that I started trading this week actually. So this is the 500k account that I started trading this week, and as you guys can see here, literally all my trades were losing trades. This trade stopped me out of break even. Actually, I got out of this trade at break even because it was a Friday, and I didn't want to hold the trade during the I didn't want to hold this trade during the weekend, and eventually it would have stopped me out, and I would have actually ended the week with more loss. So as you guys can see, this is a 500k account, and this is KJPY trade, Euro AUD, and KJPY again, and USD CHF. I don't think I mentioned this trade, how I traded this, but that's okay. Let's just look at the losses. This is 3,000. My biggest loss was a $3,500. That's pretty much I think 0.6% or something around there, or 0.7%, something around there. So I'm far off from violating the rules, which is the maximum trading rule for a position is 1%. So I'm far away from violating that. And as you can see, all the trades were losing trades, and all of them, there was no bigger loss. There was no loss that is extraordinary, because I try as much as possible to keep my losing trades under control, and I don't plan to lose more than $3,600 on any losing trade. So that is my strategy for this account. And with this kind of strategy, it's only a matter of time before you bounce back. It's not if you're gonna bounce back, it's only a matter of when you're gonna bounce back. If you're able to control your losses and you relax, you take time off when you need to take time off, all it takes is just a matter of time before the winning trades come around. And like I already said, I'm taking Thursday and Friday off, so that when Monday comes back, I will continue trading. So total, I've lost $12,000. The maximum loss I can have on this account is $60,000. So I'm literally about I think I think just about 2% down, or even more than 2%, 2.5%, let's say, which is a LT drawdown. There are drawdowns. I like to classify drawdown into different categories. There's LT drawdown and there's crazy drawdown. This drawdown is pretty LT. You can easily bounce back. One trade can help you recover this account and bounce you back into profit. So that's it for this trading account.